Hello, I'm Friendly Viacom, and this is my show. My title is called Friendly Viacom, my friends. So these are my friends that I like to see. PGM and WGBH, BBC Kids 2, Facebook, Traffic Light, Honda Singular and Direct TV. And the last character is Paigey, and they are all my friends. So come join me in my show that's made in today.
Hello everyone, my name is S-Head. Evil S. And today I'm going to annoy everyone with this honk button, just like Netflix did back in 2022. And I know this doesn't actually look like the button I know this doesn't actually look like the button that Netflix used. But Kenna couldn't find the actual button, the actual pink button that he used to make Netflix annoy everyone with his honk button. Sorry, my grandma just yawned. Anyways, and when I press this, the audio was edited to KineMaster. All right. Anyways, let's start annoying everyone. Okay, let's see. Who should I annoy first? Friendly Viacom and E1. Let's do them.
Your temperature is 103. You should stay.
Hold on, guys. I need to change something on the TV. Sorry if there's some technical difficulties. Alright, anyways, now let's go prank Friendly Viacom and E1. Evil S, stop it. Go do that somewhere else. Serves y'all right. Poppy and Viva, let's do that. Sorry if there's some technical difficulties. Stop it, Evil S. We're going somewhere else. Oh, that was funny as heck. Alright, Singular is next. Let's do him. I am Singular and I'm the best. Evil S, stop it. I'm trying to work on my song. I'll go work on it somewhere else. Maple Leaf in 2007 Hair Entertainment logo. Let's do that. Evil S, stop it. We're going somewhere else. I barely got started pressing the button and they already got annoyed. Okay, all right. Now let's bring two more people. Let's see. Paigey and Jenny. Let's do them. My God. You know what, Evil S? That's it. If you don't stop annoying us with that button, we're gonna arrest you. Don't even think about pressing it. Don't do it, Evil S. Too late. Darn, that's it. I'm gonna arrest you. Sorry if I'm having some technical difficulties for the third time. Evil S, you are under arrest for annoying everyone with the honk button. And you are also grounded. So grounded. For 1,000,000 years. I'm not going to do the we hate Evil S part because I'm too lazy. Now I'm taking you to jail. No, but it's not my fault. I just wanted to annoy everyone as a prank. Oh. Hey, this isn't fair. Why do I have to be stuck in jail? Plus, it's dark in here. Yeah. You will be in that cell for a very long time. Yeah, and you're also grounded. Now stay in jail and don't escape. Alright, now I'm going back home. I will get Paigey one day. The minute I get out of this prison, I will destroy them. Just like how McDonald's and Evil Viacom said when they went to jail. Sorry if I'm having some technical difficulties for the time. So how everything go with Evil S? Oh, he got arrested and he's locked up in prison forever. Yeah, he's finally locked up. Woohoo! So can I do my song now? Maybe we don't want to hear it. Go do it over there. All right, come on, guys. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go. We should get home too. Yeah, us too. Yeah, we have to go make another Trolls Fun for surprise episode soon.